Oh, bro, what?
Bro, I can't.
Alright boys, what is good? So we just landed in Turkey, just a little holiday for a week or so. Thought I'd record a week in the life whilst I'm at it. This place is a little bit different to what I'm used to. Let me quickly show you outside.
To be fair, it's dark. It's out here.
You know what I mean? It's a little bit different to what we're used to, but hey. We back. Yeah, I'm currently in this GJ trade right now. I'll show you what's going on. We're floating in some profit, so can't complain. I don't have like a laptop or a computer here. I don't have a laptop or a computer here, but I'll try give you a light analysis on my phone. So we had this zone created a while ago. We had the bearish wick followed by a massive push up. We had a level of liquidity created right here. We actually consolidated for quite a while, so there's a lot of liquidity down here, and then we never really broke past it. So this looked like a very good spot for price to come down to and then potentially reverse up. We tapped the zone, of course. Did not close inside, if not it would be invalid for us. Entry was just before break because we already knew it had closed bullish, so thought we'd just get an early entry, and lucky we did because the candle actually pushed up quite a lot in the last minute. And since then we've just been kind of floating in profit. Came down to entry again, but you just got to stay patient so we don't put it to break even prematurely. And yeah, we're just going up. TP1 is right here at this white line, and full TP is going to be around here. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know what happens in the morning. It is literally 1 AM, so I'm about to go to bed. Yeah, that's about it. Just thought I'd give you a little rundown on what's going on. Hopefully I can record a little bit whilst I'm out here, and yeah, see you in a second. Alright, so it's the next day now, we're back in the hotel, and I've got some news on the trade, on the GJ trade that we took yesterday. So, what we're looking at, TP1 has been hit, you feel me? It's a good day, love to see it. It is now Friday, so hey, ending the week on a good note. TP1 was a 123.4 for me. Some people in the Discord actually got a better entry, but you know what, we take it. 1 to 3.4, and then for TP2 we're going for about a 1 to 5.6. So yeah, as you can see, basically everybody's hit TP1, and stop loss is now at break even, just letting the rest play out. So what we like to do is we take half of our profits off at TP1, partial close half of it, and then leave stop at break even. So stop would actually just be here. I'm gonna keep it here because it looks nicer though. And yeah, it's gone pretty well. And yeah, I'm about to just enjoy my day. There's not really too much going on any other pairs. I'll actually quickly look through again. I haven't checked in a few hours. That's the beauty of the 30-minute charts. Not much is really going to change in a few hours. There is a potential EU setup, but I'm not really feeling it anymore because it kind of came up. So yeah, there's really not much we're looking at. Plus it's about to get to late Friday, and we don't really take trades around then. We better just go out again, have some fun. And one thing is, I don't have a laptop or anything, so I can't really backtest whilst I'm out there. But you know what, that's fine. Take a little break, keep trading off my mind for the most part, just take whatever trades come up. And that's about all I have to think about. If you watched my last video, then you know I was talking about just like keeping trading off your mind and how much that can help you just like get to profitability realistically. It's just like such a powerful thing, and honestly, this holidays are helping even more with that. I have barely checked the charts until this hit TP1, and it really helped with psychology because once again, back on the charts. As you can see, we came up, retraced, came up again, retraced. That can mess with psychology, but if you just don't have trading on your mind, you're not really on your phone looking at the charts all the time, you can literally just let it run. And this was an easy 1 to 3 because I just wasn't thinking about the setup. And yeah, that's just a powerful thing. So about to go out again. Hopefully we can get something recorded for that. Don't know how much we're really gonna be able to get, but yeah, I'll see you in a second. What the hell?
Niggas like another line of walk, yeah, it's all eyes on me, and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the wrong label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music, and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, he is 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay.
Alright, so it's now Sunday, we've already been through Saturday, and just before market closed, I just want to show you what I did on GJ. So we waited about 30 minutes before the market closed. Not everybody did this in the Discord, but I wanted to close before market did, and hey, I'm pretty happy with my profits. It was overall a 4% trade, closed half at a 1 to 3.4, like I said, so that was 1.7% profit, and then closed the other half at a 1 to 4.6 for an extra 2.3%. So overall, 4% trade, none to complain about. Just been chilling over the weekend really. Yeah, it's been pretty chill out here. Probably just about to go down to the pool. If you follow me on Instagram, then probably seen that I've just been kind of chilling. But yeah, just thought I'd update you on the trades. Hopefully I can get another trade or a few this week. You feel me? Get some more for the video. Yeah, once again, that's about it. Don't got much to report. Hopefully I can get some kind of content. But to be fair, this week in the life is more about the trading aspect because I feel like that's what people want to see the most. But yeah, see you in a second. Alright, so we're in the gym right now. It is actually boiling hot in here. It is 40 degrees outside. In here it's actually nicer if anything, but it's still boiling hot.
It's actually 44. That's what I'd say.
Do any of you guys know who the fuck
Who's got my phone right now? They said they had aircon in here, but it's just
yeah,
this little thing.
But it's cool. It's enough. Is it a chest day or an arm day? I'm hitting arms right now just because
Chuck T, you know who even bangin' set out there is CB. And nigga Cole losing sleep on this, it ain't me. You better have some paperwork or that shit fake T. Can't be rapping about no ratting that we can't read. I mean it's true, a nigga slimy for my AP. Just like how Metro nigga slimy for his main squeeze. Out here begging for attention, nigga say please. Always rapping like you bout to get the slaves free.
God damn. It's the first part. The first part of the video of me actually holding the camera. Shout out to this guy. He's doing all the camera work. I am too awkward to go out in public with a camera, so please excuse me for the fact that this video is more focused on like trading and just probably some beautiful time lapses. I don't know if there'll be time lapses. It'll be something. Alright, please ignore me for looking like I've just woken up. That's because I have. And we have also just entered another position. This is on Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. Weird pair, but it's been added to the mix. Done some back testing on it, and it's pretty solid to be fair. Yeah, this is sent to the Discord once again, as all the trades are. And what we're looking at here is a somewhat questionable setup because we're not 100% on trend. As you can see, we did break this low. And then kind of came up, broke this high right here, and yeah, so if this did hit, we'd be predicting kind of a reversal pattern, so this could go for a pretty high RR. We've got our level of liquidity right here, you feel me, quite close to the zone, 2 candle liquidity, can't complain. Got a nice rejection, no close inside the zone of course, and I actually got a very good push off the zone, entered on the first bullish close, so pretty decent entry to be fair, 6 pips, I don't really know how much that is on and probably still a decent amount. But yeah, TPs wise, we're kind of looking at a potential TP1 at the close high here. That'll be like a 1 to 5, and TP2 for me will probably just be at this high. As I was, where was I? Yeah, the trade's running pretty well. We've got this nice bullish candle after as well, so we're running quite nicely. Like I said, this video is going to mainly be focused on the trading aspect of my week. Really, I'm kind of awkward, you feel me? I'm a shy man. I don't really be recording anything outside other than hopefully some stuff for just like little time lapses or something. But yep, that's about it for this one. I'll let you know how the trade goes. Pretty good day. Look how beautiful it is out there.
Yeah, that was actually beautiful, man.
Man. But yeah, see you in a second.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, yo. So Odd NZD got stopped out.
This is true. This is a fact. But it doesn't matter. We move.
We move.
We continue.
On to the next.
Hey, look at the scenery though.
One loss means nothing, for real. That's what you just said.
Which is it? Is this thing recording? I feel like my life jacket is so big. This is beautiful.
This is what we're working for, boys. This freedom you see right here.
Look at this.
Right there.
Look at them fools. Look at them fools. Hey, that's our hotel somewhere over there. You feel me? Yeah,
Like a cruise boat.
tomorrow we're going on that cruise. You feel me? See if we can get any trades going before that.
Trades on that cruise. Gonna go see some tombs and shit.
Alright, this video is probably a bit all over the place, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna be able to edit it until I'm back, which is on like the 10th of June. And right now it's like the 4th, 5th. So I actually have no idea what this video is looking like, but it's probably a bit random. Once again, I'm mainly focusing on the trading side because that's what people are trying to know. Hey, the pump looking kind of crazy though. Look at that guy.
Oh, it is me.
Okay, I don't know what's going on now. Guys, I don't know how to flip the camera. Yeah, hopefully we can get another trade this week, you feel me? Recover the L from Ord NZD. Even though it was like a half loss because it wasn't the highest quality setup, so it was half risk. So we're chilling either way, even if we don't get another setup for the week. 0.5% down, we were up, what, 4% last week or something? But yeah, see you when something happens. Peace.